This is the Springbrook Fireworks 2026 walkthrough. We are located on Route 315 in Pittston Township. Our physical address is 501 Ziegler St, Pittston Township, Pennsylvania. We are a block north of the Pittston Walmart and are an easy off, easy on from Interstate 81, both north and south, and also the Pennsylvania Turnpike. We carry over 25 brands, including brands you won't see anywhere else in the area, like Great Grizzly, Fire Factory, Fox, Magnus, Dominator, Black Cat, and many more. We also carry a large inventory of 1.4G Pro line items, which do require a pyrotechnic certification. This year marks the 250th year of America's independence, and the 4th of July falls on a Saturday. We have everything you need to help you celebrate our amazing country's 250th birthday. Let's take a look inside. We'll start off in our safe and sane room. We have the 9-inch assorted fountain, the cuckoo fountain, killer bees, and the big gun. We have the frog prince and the fog princess, purplicious, neon jelly beans, big doo-doo, baby sharks, small family pack, our 10-inch metal sparklers. Our 500-gram fountains, we have Up and Atom, amazing, a 250 light up fountain, Be All End All, and the super fountain. We have the unicorn fountain and the USA Eagle. Our 20-inch gold sparklers, our morning glories, our 36-inch sparklers, and our morning glory torches. Get the popcorn, tank with stars, and tank with report. And of course our poopy puppy. We have the spaceship, ground boom flowers. We have a gender reveal fountain, Tommy Rocks, made in the USA. New this year is Rich Duck by Mecca. This is an amazing fountain. It actually shoots up ground bloom flowers in the air, and then they fall down and start spinning around on the ground. We have the Backyard Dazzler, the Little Yellow Duckling, which is a spinning fountain, Rainbow Cupcake, mini snow cone. We have jumping jacks, US Marines, neon sparklers. This is really cool, the confetti pistol. It shoots out confetti. Our safe and sane family packs. We have the family pack number 2, Sizzler, family pack number 4, and family pack number 5. The Blueberry Moonshine fountain, Battle Cruiser, this is new this year. The number 3 cone, and a 10-inch volcano cone. Crackling Silver Dragon, Proud Peacock, Flash Frenzy, crackling balls, and the box of crackling balls, and the jumbo crackling balls. We got punks for all those bugs starting out right now, and we also have assorted cone fountains. We have Chopper, Kitty Hawk, Power Trip, M1 Abrams. New this year from T-Sky, we have the USA fountains. We also have a little assortment called the Big Trucker. We have the Fiery Sunflower, which is a spinner, Happy Birthday fountain, the Kooky Caterpillar, Flutterby, Pure Fantasy, 3-minute fountain, Super Sunday. We have the adult snappers. New this year is the adult snapper gun. These are selling out very, very fast. We have the Big Pro strobe, smoke grenades, strobe lights, your classic snappers, disco flash. We have a 6-minute smoke, a desert smoke, a 2-minute smoke, both black and white. New this year, we have the red, white, and blue confetti cannon. We We have Smoke Squad, 5-minute smoke, Army smoke, gushing smoke. We have the snapper box, the color smoke ball box, the 6-inch party sparklers. These are for birthday cakes, champagne bottles. We also have all the color smokes, green, orange, yellow, white, black, jumbo smoke balls there, red, purple, blue, pink, and this is really awesome. It's red, white, and blue. They all come out at the same time. We also have your hand blasters here. We have the colored snakes, smoke balls, and party poppers. Come in here, a couple special things out here. So we have our lanterns, our Chinese lanterns. These are the colored lanterns, the flag lanterns, the in memory, and the white. And this year, to celebrate the 250th birthday, we have the 250th US flag sparklers. We'll start getting into our aerials. We'll start with our parachutes. So we have an airborne operation. We have the princess parachute this year. Actual princess comes down from the parachute. We have the military parachute, where the opposable military man comes down from the parachute. Airborne Ranger also has a military man. We have the double day parachute, the 40-inch mammoth parachute, and the airborne attack, which is smoke and opposable military man. Get into our single shot mortar tubes. We have the number 5000 by Winda, number 3000 by Winda, number 500 from Brothers, and a number 3000 by T-Sky, and the number 2000 from T-Sky. Get into our skyrockets. Corona rocket, the Space Falcon, Big Burst ballistics, the Soaring Wolf, Rip the Sky, Space Jam, Nishiki Galaxy, Rockets Red Glare, our 8-ounce rockets, and the aerial assault, which is like a rocket kit. Saturn missiles, we have the 300 colored Saturn missiles, the 25-shot 4-pack, the 100-shot Saturn missile, and the regular 300-shot Saturn missile. Kits this year, we have the America kit. We also have Celebrate America kit by Black Cat. And we have the Packing Heat. We also have a strobe rocket this year. Get into some of our zipper cakes. We have High Energy, Touch the Sky, Dragon King, Rapid Fire, 750-shot Saturn missile battery, Hot Shade, Ridiculousness, Airstrike approved. Some of our finales, we have series number 1, number 2, and number 6. And also this year, we brought in Fancy Freedom by Winda. That's all red, white, and blue. Some artillery shells, we have the Live Shell, Dual Warheads, which are all double breaks, and the Evil Shells. Some girandolas this year. I have a Take Me to Your Leader, which is a 2-stage girandola. And we also have the Alien Invasion, which is a cake girandola, which is also 2-stage. Start with our 200-gram aerials here. We have Broken Heart, TMI, Lion Eye by Magnus, Red Carpet, Taco Tuesday, another Magnus we brought in, Raging Mad, Starry Starship by Brothers, Inspect This Gadget by T-Sky, Alien Transmission, Pop Circus, Crazy Days, Good Ride, and a 5-pack called the Dog Pound Pack by Magnus. Continuing with our 200 gram aerials, we have Raging Willow, Wild Mushroom by Brothers, Dream Big, Suspended Animation, Open Grave, Mechanical Bug, the Red, White, and Blue Salute, Wild Horses, and Wild West. Bling Bling, Spiral Vortex from Fox, Kick-Ass, Third Base, Magic Carpet, and Irish Luck. Skull on Fire, Stop and Go, Over and Out, Breakthrough, Evil Enemy. We have the Smoke Show, which is a daytime smoke cake, Exploder, Happy Camper, Whirlwind of the Caribbean, and Sweet Leaf. This year, new from Fire Factory, we have the Crop Dusters, which is an aerial daytime smoke. We have Panic by T-Sky, Colorful Skies Raccoon, Neon Rainbows Miracle, the 81-shot Aerial Barrage, 25-shot World Wonders, Let's Roll by Magnus, Full Auto by Big, another Magnus we brought in this year, Blue Burner, Sapphire Clan, Mo Better by T-Sky, and the 61-shot Aerial Repeaters. We have One Hot Crime, Wild Card from Brothers, Royal Flush, Miracle, Bad Hair Day, Brothers, Starlight Shimmer, 100-shot Bouquet, 100-shot Triumph, the Magnificent Festival, Pulse Pounder, T-Rex, Retrosaurus, Mr. Rex, and Spinosaurus. New this year from Dominators, this 250 12-shot. Flying Colors by Brothers, US Power Raccoon, Poppycock by Brothers. We have Risky Business, Von Bonus by Magnus, and Nice Rack. Roman candles this year, we have Crazy Aces, Royal Flush, Glittering Cutlass, Overlord, 10-ball Blue Thunder, Flashing Thunder, Magical 10-ball, Fruit Fest. New this year, we have Across the States by Magnus. They're all big bores. Blackjack by Brothers. We have the Pyro Diablo candle, Real Magic, and Kicking and Screaming. Super candles. We have the Red, White, and Blue Salute, High Expectations, and the Ballistic Barrage. New this year, Blue Fire. This is a Roman candle. You light one fuse, and then you're able to point this anywhere you like. Try to zoom out here. Put it up here maybe. It's pretty cool. So we got the 1,000 roll of firecrackers, Lady Fingers, our full bricks and half bricks. We have the M1000s, the M70s. We have the Color Pearls, 2 different sizes. Tony's Brocade Crown. We have 2 color spaceships, the Garden in Spring and Desert at Night. We have the Magic Crystals. I also have the little mini magnums. The Artillery Shell 6-pack. We got Buzz Bombs, Jungle Jets, another bigger pack of the 2 color spaceship, the Small Sunflowers, Bee Sting. We have the Ladybugs, the Large Sunflowers, and the Buzz Killers. Moving on to our mortar shells, we have the 5-inch American Super Shell. We have the Raptor Shells, which is a 28-pack. We have the Super Stingers, a customer favorite, 6-inch. We have our Fantasticals, a 5-inch shell. We have the Happy 4th shell. These are all red, white, and blue breaks. We have the Black Cat Diablos, one of the most beautiful shells on the market, the death shell. We have the 5-inch Radioactive by Fisherman. We have the Damascus shells by Fisherman. We have the 7-inch Destroyers from Big Fireworks. We have the Sonic shells by Fox. These are all whistling tails. We have the 6-inch Beach Bombs by Great Grizzly. These are all tails, so every shell is going to have a tail going up in the air. And new this year, we have the Pro 8-inch shell by Black Cat. Also new this year, we have Winda Raise the Dead 7-inch. We're going to move on to our 500 gram aerials. We'll start off with our assortments. So this year we have Mob Madness, the base military assortment. We have the big box of bombs. We have Born Leaders by Winda, Fancy Freedom by Winda. It's all red, white, and blue. And the 1500 gram Finale Series number 1, number 2, and number 6. Our 500 gram cakes with Laser Chaser by Raccoon, Executive Order by Big, Crazy Stars by Brothers, Candy Bang T-Sky, Glitter Bug by Shogun, Take Me to Your Leader Jarandola. New this year, Tango Blast by Big Claw. Back in stock, customer favorite, Midnight Howling by Magnus. Larger Than Life, Brothers. Bull Market, Brothers. The Wild Beast, Pyro Diablo. We have the Velvet Fog by Great Grizzly. It's all purple. Snowblind, Pyro Demon. Aircracker by Shogun. Neon Boom, Raccoon. Like a Boss from Brothers. Willow King, Raccoon Fireworks. Time Stands Still from T-Sky. And Pound the Sky from T-Sky. New this year, we have the Devil's Eye by Big Claw. We have Rush Hour by Winda. Extreme Effects by Fire Factory. Gunfighters and Absolute Destruction by Black Cat. We have Grudge Match from T-Sky, Eagle Pride by Raccoon, and American Select from Brothers. We have Bamboozle and Light Brigade, both Brothers. Another new one this year, Outlaw Last Stand by Big Claw. New one this year, Dazzle Dread from Legend, and another new one, Eye for Eye, Legend. We have Colonel Popper by Winda. Old School Cool, Brothers. Man Cave, Winda. Holy Shit from Fisherman. Total Gossip, Brothers. A new one from Magnus called Freedom Tower. Hit the Road Jack and Highfalutin, both Brothers. America First from Raccoon. Banana Split, Winda. Saturday Night Special, Brothers. Military Tribute, Magnus. Crush City, Fisherman. An oldie but goodie, Open Fire by Brothers. We have 3 Minute Mayhem from Shogun, and Parrots Prattle by Brothers. Sky High, Fisherman. USA Blast, Fisherman. Trump 2.0, Pyro Demon. Goin' Muddin', Miracle. We have the 100-shot Super Finale. And this year, we have the 100-shot Super Finale, all red, white, and blue. We have Donut Worry, Be Happy from T-Sky. Lit AF from Big. Here We Go, Fisherman. And the Chronic from Big. Mamba Spirit, Pyro Diablo. Electric Lettuce, Great Grizzly. Thundering Glory, Pyro Demon. Tough as Hell from Pyro Diablo. And Sky Slayer from T-Sky. Force Field, Brothers. Mongolian, Pyro Demon. Pure Nishiki, Pyro Demon. And Texas Cowboy, Fisherman. From Black Scorpion, we have Neon Fusion. We have Hellraiser from Big. Another Black Scorpion, Go Freak. Tequila Sunrise, Big Fireworks. We have the Pink and Blue from Big. Guerrilla Warfare, World Class. Leopard, Power Blast. Rustler, Cutting Edge. We have Security Breach by Brothers. Artistic Pyro, Winda. And the SWAT Team by Miracle. The 1,000-gram finales from Pyrodemon, we have Cataclysm, we have Chaos, and we have Mayhem. Max loads from Rock You Fireworks, we have max load number 7, number 6, number 5, number 4, number 3. Neon Fantasy, Black Scorpion, Death Punch, Pyrodemon, Badass, Legend, and Apeshit from Big Fireworks. We have the Program from Brothers, Geronimo, Miracle Fireworks, and Dawn to Dusk from T-Sky. Flying Flamingo from Raccoon, Grand Scheme, Brothers, Swift and Shimmery from Brothers, Wind Up from Brothers. We have Medusa from Great Grizzly, Bitch Better Have My Honey by Legend. Another Legend and a very popular one, Venom. New this year, we have Neon Roots from Mag Value, Good Times, T-Sky. Another new one this year, Neon Jungle. Some 3-inch 9 shots, Wacky Tobacco from Brothers. Home of the Brave, Great Grizzly, all red, white, and blue. And we have the Conqueror Fireworks Complex. We also have a 2-inch 9 shot, double barrel from Maddox. Daily sale we run every day of the year. Buy any 4 of these cakes for $170. Includes Backhand by Pyrodemon, Bitch Slap, Pyrodemon, Neon King, Legend, Prison Break, Pyrodemon, Absolution, Big, Let It Rip, Pyrodemon, Broken Silence, Big, Dark Days, Big, Burn It Up, Big, Diablo Rising from Pyro Diablo, Knockout, Pyrodemon, Raging Bull, Pyrodemon, MILF from Big Fireworks, Game Changer from Big Fireworks, and Polar Storm by Big Fireworks. We have Beaten from Sunwing, Golden Willows from Legend, Dark Horse from Big Fireworks, Burn It Up, Pyrodemon, Devil's Lettuce, Pyrodemon, Critical Mass from Big Fireworks, Iron Fist, Pyrodemon, Neon Extreme, Happy Family, Reefer Madness by Pyrodemon, Baked with Pride, Pyrodemon, Atom Smasher, Pyro Power, Starstruck, and Burning Sky, all Pyrodemon. We have Rising Force by Pyrodemon, Amped from Big, Gunslinger from Brothers. We have Weeping Willows from Shogun and Death Bomb by Pyrodemon. We also have a pick 4 for $120. This includes the Irish Legends from Brothers, Current Events from Brothers, Old Ironside Brothers, and Hypnotic from Big.